In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do an incline dumbbell chest press. Now, the first question I get from clients is, what's the difference between a flat dumbbell chest press and then putting the bench at an incline? Now, simply put, when we put the bench at an incline, it changes the angle of the exercise, and therefore it changes the emphasis of the fibers that are hit when we're working our chest. So you'll be working the top of your chest more when you do incline dumbbell chest press. Now, if you go too high into the incline, it'll actually work out being more shoulders. So what I tend to do with benches like this is I'll put them at the first or second setting at max. I don't go into more of an incline than that. And an incline simply means you're basically going to have your chest higher than your hips when you do the exercise. Don't be fooled, not all benches actually have inclines and declines. What you're looking for is something like this, a pin mechanism. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the pin out, slide the bench up and make sure that it's fastened in place. It doesn't matter if you have light dumbbells or heavy dumbbells, get into the habit of squatting down, picking the weights up with a nice straight back before you bring them onto your knees. And then from here, elbows into the sides as you bring your back and head on the bench. From here, I flare out the elbows and I want to make sure that my palms are facing away from the direction of my head. I'm going to push up and in and down and out. You'll notice when I do that, my elbow stays below my shoulder. Think of the exercise name as your cue. So it's a dumbbell chest press. So I'm in line with my chest at the bottom and I'm on top or directly over my chest when I'm at the top of the movement. If I come too far out, I'm going to be in line with my shoulders. So we really want to make sure the emphasis is on the chest when we're doing the exercise. In terms of breathing, breathing in, on the way down, and out on the way up. Once you're done, make sure that you place your palms together, elbows down. From here, if you've got really heavy weights, you might want to bring your knees up and then return back to your start position. Otherwise, you might be able to just crunch up if you're using a lighter weight. That is how to do a dumbbell incline chest press, which you would repeat for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.